Morning everybody, it's 6 o'clock in the morning, 2nd of April 24. My job today is to take down 12 of these trees with not a lot of room. So there's this one here, we're down by a track basically, and a river, nothing here really, middle of nowhere. Then the one by the caravan, which is here. There's 3 here to go. This one is basically going to fall on the car if it went. There's this clump of 3 or 4 here and the stuff around it. So these 3, as I said. This one here. And then there's 2 over the back there. This one and this one is only 18 metres, and some of these are like 24, 25 metres tall, so there's not a lot of room to drop them. A bit muddy, but anyway, watch this space.